Hello there my gorgeous friends on the internet. In this video we will cover the basics of tuples. So let's get started with tuples. Tuples are ordered, immutable sequence of elements. To create a tuple, create a variable and give values inside a parenthesis separated by a comma as shown in the video. I have created a tuple named fruits and gave it a list of fruits. By the way, if you are enjoying my content, please consider subscribing, it helps a ton. Back to the video. We can print each element inside that tuple by putting square brackets next to our tuple as shown in the video. By the way, the list starts with 0, so in this example we have 4 elements but it starts with 0, 1, 2 and 3. Don't get confused, soon you will get the hang of it. And if you don't know the index of an item, you could check that by calling the index method and passing in the value, to find the index of that value. Congrats! You have learned the basics of tuples. Thanks for watching.